Hi, this is a short instructional video on how to use the BB-8 Hero Droid, which is an amazing toy. Keeping in mind two basic principles, tilt and perspective will help you use this droid effectively when you are playing by yourself or with your children. I'm going to show you how to work the controls. Think of it going forward from the BB-8's point of view and backward from the same point of view. Perspective is everything in understanding this toy's controls. The other is understanding the tilt mechanic for turning. You can turn left or right, as I'm showing here. And the combination of these mechanics is demonstrated in what it's like to go in a circle. When you tilt, you cause it to turn. But once you understand that basic concept of perspective and tilt, once you've got those two basic principles down, then maneuvering this toy in remote control mode is surprisingly easy. Thank you and have a great day.